iPadOS 16 to bring redesigned multitasking interface. Bloomberg reports. Multitasking is really the thing that my brain never really embraced it on the iPad.
Mine either.
There's something wrong with my brain.
Mm-hmm.
Many things.
Do a lot of people use it?
Oh, the people they use.
They love it, huh?
I see on the internet when I'm there.
Mm-hmm. When you show up every
I see people, they say, the iPad Pro has replaced all my other gadgets.
Okay.
I edited this video on an iPad Pro. And I'm like, why are you talking that way?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't know. I think it takes some time and some work to really get yourself into Apple's, embrace, their warm embrace.
Mm-hmm.
The full encapsulated.
Get used to it, and but once you get used to it, there's no.
But you reach. I can't stop reaching for those things. The one that's on your lap there when you keep your legs close together.
Damn, now the entire show I'm going to be sitting like this.
For those that don't know, that's not my joke, all right? Yeah. Mo told me that joke himself.
Yeah.
About the criticism that's been levied against himself.
Yes, exactly.
And how tight he likes to keep the legs.
I sit like this a lot.
Yeah, no.
It's just to balance the laptop.
Well, this is a bit much now when it's all on show and on display. Like, I don't know. You need to find a balance there.
I think this is a good
No,
balance.
I'm sitting across from you. I'll be the judge of that.
That's a good point, I guess. I should really get your opinion.
That's right.
Maybe we'll ask the Discord.
I have a very exclusive point of view.
Well, I think you got to talk to HR, man.
Yeah. We have HR here?
Yeah, go ahead and make an appointment. I'll meet you there. I have a fake mustache.
Yeah.
And one in the nose and the
There's
glasses.
no way you're showing up.
Well, that's true, too. Yeah. That's true.
Yeah, let's start with that.
Yeah, that's true as well. Someone says in the chat, Mo could crunch a coconut with those legs that tight.
Thunder thighs.
Oh, where's the nuggets, Mo? You keep making promises.
It's true.
You keep making promises.
Wait, who's doing the nugget thing? Because I have a feeling everybody thinks I'm doing it, but
Yes.
I'm not doing it.
You agree. Don't go back in the record. You agree.
I think Kirk is going to do
Kirk's
it.
going to do it?
Don't go back in the record.
There's no way I'm beating that record.
You're beating.
And I'm just going to feel sick for the rest of the day.
Mm-hmm. Well, yeah, you do it at the end of the day for sure. Don't do it at the end of the day. You need sleep close by when you do 20 nuggets in a minute.
And a couch.
Yes,
Okay.
couch, sleep close by, and like nothing else to do because there's a recovery period from such things.
Right. So what? We'll record it and then run it as like a special ad, or because I'm not doing it live in the middle of the day.
You are. Yeah.
No, you just said
No,
it.
we're going to do it late. We're going to just happen to do later on.
I see.
As the name implies.
I see.
Shout out to the Discord community, by the way. Love what's going on over there.
Yeah.
Willie do, just putting things together.
Mm-hmm.
We're just days away from WWDC 2022, where Apple will unveil its next round of operating system updates. The announcements will be headlined by iOS 16 and iPadOS 16. A new report from Bloomberg today sheds more light on what to expect. The report comes from Mark Gurman. Who else over at Bloomberg would it come from? Bloomberg reports that iPadOS 16 will have a redesigned multitasking interface that makes it easier to see which apps are open and switch between tasks. The update will also bring new ways to resize app windows alongside new ways to handle multiple apps at once.
Have you ever used that before? Just like resizing apps and stuff. I find it kind of a burden.
Yeah, no, I've done all that stuff.
Yeah.
And I could never really get on board. I could never really have it feel as intuitive or obvious to me as just being on a laptop.
Right. So you'll never replace an iPad with a laptop, or the other way around. Sorry.
A laptop with an iPad.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not. I never say never. Never say never will, but at the moment, no, it hasn't happened for me. And the fact that Apple still keeps making all these things and selling all these things, it implies that I'm not the only one. Some people are still reaching for these laptops for most purposes. There are advantages, obviously, with the iPad as well. But oh, that's his toy making that noise.
Yeah, it's not.
Oh my God! I was about to.
Yeah.
My
Audio
God.
problems?
I
Oh,
couldn't
no.
even focus on this story, man, because I was like, what the hell? Could you feel my
Yeah, the tension.
it was building.
Otis was playing with his
The tension was building.
toy, which is apparently a plastic bag. It's very crunchy.
Oh, yeah.
Ryan got him that, right?
Well, it's one of those ones where the dog is attracted to it because it's constantly crunching.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a feedback.
I was about to flip right out. You didn't want to see it, Mo, I promise. You didn't want to see it.
No, I know I didn't.
Shout out Shitong. Wouldn't want you to miss CNN Ultra. Coming up today, welcome back to the broadcast. I didn't bring in the Wolverine yet. Wolverine's coming in.
No, man.
Next
We've
week.
been slipping.
No, Wolverine's coming in next. Don't act like it's on the same level as your Nuggets.
No,
don't,
I know.
don't.
I'm saying total.
Don't, no total.
No.
Don't wee it. No wee.
What? Lou's dying today.
Is this a comedy show?